I GC News, Riba Bawumia Akwaba, Hadie, latest and hot news Guana Mede, Bremo, Arinti, Union subscriber, Omodia say, over subscribe to the channel. Yobaya say, when click a subscribe button, now wabele notification, where the sa, new video be uploaded. When the first person I was Sabeka, I hear video, I feel we are now one like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, fee. Share my offer so now when you be here now who and summer air so air Ghana memoir. It's as a hadie latest hot guana maybe Bremo. Afi Yembura and summer abeto ye Bonsu. Yinti a yes I report here about the Yinti Sansabia airport.
Omo kachre Ghana for nyina say decisions are NPP taking in 2024 from 2017 to 2024. Akufo Addo na Jimmy onina a veto ni nyina. From what this boy is saying say Tisia Bawumia say yentuma ni wie a obetwa betting taxing obetwa e-levy ene ne busa no so oh ade ne de Bawumia nya president in fact omko cabinet kra enya Bawumia ne take final decision no Akufo Addo. That means to say every single thing be a esi wa aban mu nyina no Bawumia cannot take credit for that. Into right now no Seba de awase de fans no more a almost Bawumia ya de oh go for oil one kai oh digitization Ghana card one kai eba e-levy eba corruption almost Akufo Addo na ye kwase a yemfa nkwohye no onsi bi a omudi omunkomosisi a they are trying to isolate Bawumia from the crime because omnim say Ghana for omagimi enti se eba de yemfa ma Bawumia oh munim Bawumia monhwe de odi aba Bawumia koye astrotef Bawumia si toilet eba corruption eba e-levy eba taxes be 120 area to Ghana for so almost Bawumia oni power bia onya president kwasiafo
you are watching news on
then
YouTube.
Bawumia should tell us what he's campaigning on. Bawumia should tell us say he wasn't part of the decision making when it came to free SHS. He wasn't part of decision making when it came to anything that they are saying. Say, Akufo Addo aban aye ni ye because must say a collective decision, and that at the end of the day, he's just a mere cabinet member, and that the president takes the final decision. Then it means Akufo Addo is supposed to take the blame for the good and the bad in this government. Bawumia is not supposed to stand on any platform. So or the kwasi ekache Ghana for say my way into Montumame Oyeno under whose government and who gave the permission. Moya. You know why I tell you say NPP for Jimmy. Shade. Bawumia the campaign the manifesto ni nyina de na oye chairman odaso o manage Bawumia campaign ni nyina no Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu anameboa. Yeah. The manifesto na omudi abase Bawumia na akotro Bawumia aka wo mu say manifesto ni mu say obe abolish betting tax say to man 2025 ono Bawumia betwam sa manifesto na ombe kan ye no Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu ono na ye chairman enkrata na ono na hwe ni nyina mu oka say we maninkem we ye Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu and the ma final green light to say afi munko na munko kan. Bawumia say obey betting tax if you anameboa. Now look at this. Yenti krom ha na Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu. Eka kire John Mahama say as a Christian you want to abolish betting tax Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu ka kire Mahama say now Christo ni pa na opese tax da bet so no uyifri wo say de be ya emebunu no ebetwa chacha. The same Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu. Bawumia manifesto no on a chairman on ne ka kire Bawumia so meka kire say so we need power obetwa betim Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu or North Korea nke be hange no. Koto de ne bodwe enkwasiafo yi omano na ede omo ya trofo. Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu wetina TV so ka kire Bawumia Mahama say na wo Bahama wo ye Kristo ni pa e na wo se wo ba betting tax wo betwam. Manifesto no be kan ma mo no nipa oye chairman okeka sieni osan ase se Bawumia be kan no Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu manifesto mu no Bawumia se obetwa betting tax mu timumusa kwase ampanyi we se senko bugana for pa asem o ka kire Mahama no ade na wo ma oye Bawumia ho kwan se ono de on function manifesto mu we omo ye mpanifo nkwasiafo me kan wo se me mu ade we mu omo jimi they play on your conscience omo say youth bi mu jimi omu Ghana fo nyina se mogimi wo ka kire Bawumia se onye Kristo ni papa ade na obetwa betting tax ade akyin a wo de ahye Bawumia manifesto so onko kanche Ghana for say yen toma no ne toma ne wi a ubetwam we aboa umbu Ghana for wo sa kromfo we a uko SS uko wi a trank mu nyoma ye pamo udi kura yenim mote Ghana mumbu obia. These are the foolish people we are entertaining in Ghana as statesmen. Adie beche kwasia webewu na yakọ salai o state house nipa titiri wewu kromfo on kan cross Kyei Mensa Bonsu e na man ye nipa titiri.
Hot news all time.
What makes Kyei Mensa Bonsu a credible old man? Jimmy way ombobia the thing say ye Jimmy. And omo hye age chi. And omo hye brofo tantan bi echi. And omo twa motro and omo wie sika de omo ma begu abrochire. In the next 5-10 years, omo ba be catch am say nkwasiafo omo papa mo amabra. Mo nsa mebo flag mo omo. Na wonim nyansa onyonko se obetwem o se Kristo nipa na obetwem aboa na wosom bosom ben wosom nyame ben wo ye die ni Bawumia anya Ghana ni onyan kremoni ade na wo de ahye ne manifesto bu se wa wo ye chairman ade na wo nyi afrim. These are foolish stupid people. Na me di mo atam sa every say mo Jimmy. Thank you very much team. My member ne words the exact words are okan wo radio so Angel FM okobie na no kan ye time ye ka se Mahama se obetwa betting bet tax oka so betwum Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu na no asem no muntie no kwasiafo we na mo so so Ghana se omo ye mpanifo na ye mbu omo we mo mbu nipa we akromfo we
to you feel
ebrebi come diwa enti sebi mpedua wanhwe ya de bi me amsa asem we omo sha asem me Bahama obisani ama me ka se medie me training me Christiani Bible say angel ya obedi wonsa no adwuma ano you should work and this chacha asem the Bible etia chacha asem what you say mimi ntiase no this also be ye betting say ye lottery so o maim what you say it's also be ye betting ade bi o ha aban wo ho no so ya no afa ne saa so bia na on pesa manfo de madwen kosi so kese nti okay sanete dia memfa to bi nto so eto no kwa discouraging grofo say mfo adwen sisu sa nti ye ton sa o mem say grofo no monsa na ba ni tax ato so say ne be ya wonom nsa no kese ye ton cigarette wo mem cigarette no ebe hawo amoti manya lung cancer na ba na asa bo ho ka aban be say onom cigarette nti no o be say onom say you right opa konom emu de to ato so say ne be ya be discouraging grofo kakra na sa wo ba na wo say o me de cigarette na wa na wo pesa wonuma nti me mfa ho ne me yi to na free so a what are you saying? You are encouraging nipa then to go and smoke. You drink tax if in saswa we encouraging nipa so bedomonsa. Is it the purpose of John Mahama say o man ye nani chacha e ma inti no so be yi ye fe say tax if betting so ana betting enye djuma chacha enye djuma ebia bibi nti no o me ko try me lock kakra fair and me se me de me Kristo som no enkyere me saa but say also ye Kristo ni wo ye muslimini na o giri se de chirosem no kan nyina wo de wo be ya ebia asem bi nti ye ko try ebia na bitia yi luck. Me, I don't believe in luck cry in the first place. I believe in hard work. This will be as a me ko ebi no catch on say obi ka say good luck I me catch you because me good luck. I don't depend on luck. Oh my best wishes. I can't say best wishes to you. Now say to tell me good luck. No, news on YouTube. They don't also hot tell other people. Say good luck. And Katie, oh yeah, bibia. Now no ya oh yeah. Someone can say good luck. What I say? My best wishes. so what I say? Bibia mono best regards, best wishes. Na menka good luck. Nti say na make na me nyine say John, ni trimu pone say. Obeso be liberalize system na say obi ankotwa obi ankoye chacha adwuma. So sanity dia na make say it is a wrong thing. Right. Mene kwa asore ba ko. Assemblies of God. Assemblies of God. The general superintendent ne Reverend Wingham.
Katie, TK, owo ye no, say manka say good luck. Me ma wishes. Omo no mo hwe omo. Journalists no omo ye dirty. Omo ye slaves. These people shit in their mouths. Also okay. Also okra TK wo ye no. Se manka say good luck. Me ma best wishes. Or catch se me ma uska. Osei chacha nye juma. Kwasiafo Sammy Awuku oji paid out in a man sena mutu anaka. Sammy Awuku na hwe chacha so. Sammy Awuku mebusa no question or ma answer. Kromfo Osei chacha nye juma. Sammy Awuku endele na oto no. Na ketu oje police for 50% or more Ghana omo nje sa ketua no. Kwasia. Uwie wo de chacha na kwhye Bawumia manifesto mu say oni de owini power ombetwa chacha mu. Na obi de oso okotwa chacha mu ne ya ma ne tumi a oso oni de oye Kristoni eni say Kristoni yesa. These filthy people call themselves Christians. Say me di akwa we echi say oye Kristoni kamekọ bosom ho. These are filthy dirty people. Oh, chacha de ebia once in a while be no akotry. Chacha ben boni ben e half. Ekura omompe chacha yento chacha wo ho yenjintum. Ekura empe jantra yema jantra enye de official oba Ghana constitutional etia jantra enti baby ani wa obekwa ya chiro ebo ha say aha jantra oba 10 Ghana ebi ni Ghana. That is how it works. Oba Ghana ye say yenum jot wo nipem enti eyemra yetia because jot ni enim say nipa bi mpe ebe mankura bi ewu enti there are rules. Say you see ye chiribone a mema yen nya den ye nya American Muslims yen wi preko so enum preko nkwan abuofunu Bawumia de oyen kremoniti nkremofo de omo pechacha e Christopher dem pechacha iti jo Mahama na okọ asori ba akuniti so okaso bechacha mu a onye Kristo di papa but umbu nkremofo nti Bawumia de onfa nkọhye ne manifesto mu otwe ende eba how to defend their foolish political ideas are. They select crimes and say this is half crime, this is full crime. Into also catch a chance oh, so person try like abuofunu your chacha half and your chacha full. If chacha is not good, the government, the Ghana government should abolish gambling in any form. There shouldn't be the gaming commission in Ghana. It should be scrapped. Kwasia ya je chacha sika ni de tuaoka. The tax on chacha any ritual car kwasiado collection. These people don't think. Or say Kelvin a dinner tem. This foolish guy. Now saying on Net2 TV swa. The only thing they will tell you is say, oh, the NDC government reversed almost everything President Akufo received in terms of President Akufo achieved. In terms
YouTube.
Of progress.
Hot news all time.
This boy Dennis Abuaje. Akotena TV so. Sir, we study a MPP for. They are not so boastful of Akufo Addo's achievement. They don't boast of Bawumia's achievement. Every time they are in a tight corner to prove to Ghanaians, say, what have you done? They will quickly go and say, yeah, Papa Akufo. Because they know there isn't much left in the system you can trace when it comes to J. Akufo's era. And what they do is they know, say, a lot of the people cannot get even information on Akufo's administration. And you see, they are looking at a generation that did not witness Akufo's administration. So what they do, and they say, the moment you put them on the spot and you ask them, tell us boast of Akufo Addo's administration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things they have done. Tell us what Bawumia them have done. They will quickly say, oh, Akufo the oye no, na nke Akufo Addo betwaso after the 12 years. Remember, Akufo free power no, it did 12 years and then end this MPP ba power. Into the moment you ask them, say, what have you done the past 8 years? Tell us Akufo Addo's boast of Akufo Addo's accomplishment. Or say, oh, the Akufo be ye nyina no, NDC has said no. The question is, how many Ghanaians enenim the Akufo ye and how many Ghanaians can go and verify the Akufo ye? And I'm looking at the Gen Z, the young people who are less than 20 years, who are a little bit over 20 years. Majority of them don't know what Akufo did. When they go on the internet to go and Google Akufo's administration, about 1% of what Akufo did, what Akufo did well when he was leaving power was to wipe the system of his criminalities. Bonia, the government, from time omudi power, the scandals, the corruption, they deliberately wiped it out of the system. And what helped Akufo was that social media archiving of information wasn't great then. We were not using the sophisticated equipment or software, so it can pull things in a minute. So everything was basically hard copy. So Akufo did so well by wiping all his crimes, all the bad things they did in their government, in the Akufo government. Into Mr. MPP for say, boast about Akufo Addo. Tell me why Akufo Addo is a great president. Or say, Akufo, the Akufo ye nyinano NDC aseno. And it's something they have been doing for years. And you see this boy, say Bawumia manifesto, NPP for manifesto, the bar ende. Say almost a manifesto. It to me a save Ghana from 2017 to data. He'll be boasting of what they have done and why we should look at what they have done and give them a nod. But he is not talking about the work Bawumia ni Akufo Addo. He is rather taking you to 2000 to tell you say you may be called to 2000. Sad time no phone camera phone ni ho. Sad time Akufo be the president no na Snapchat ni ho. Sata Akufo be the president no na ye ni bibia sebio you can use in tracking GBC nkwa into say GBC e catch us say with delete Akufo scandal. Where are you going to find that? Into so stadia MPP for deliberately every time they are found wanting in a corner where they cannot get out biano, their first thing they do is that Papa Akufo, when President Akufo was in power, he did this, he did that. It's almost to me Akufo, the almost to me prison. But some of the fundamental questions about the Akufo Yankasa, they don't talk about it. They vaguely talk NHIS. Akufo na de bae. Oh, Akufo time no, and they speak about Dumso. Na Akufo na Dumso ni ho, and Akufo NDC bae na yeda Dumso. But some say, oh, and yet Akufo every so Akufo Addo buy no, and at the in Kwarako school. So you could see, say they strategically they say things when you try to question them, but say I feel like I just one cause I research. Majority of the NPP people, when you are arguing with them or trying to let them show you evidence of what Akufo did, they are not able to show you. That Ben who say NPP near Net2 TV so a document to say this is what Akufo did, and that what you are saying is not true. All that they do is they blanketedly they just say it and walk. And this is a typical MPP communicator who knows nothing. A typical MPP communicator who is a party so-called I want to know, but only the penifona yeno and one ankoradi. Let me tell you. When you see the MPP communicators argue on these lines, it is not say because a party be a the Oma no catch until you cannot go learn anything outside what they have done or what your elders or they will lie to you and you move with that lie. Until majority of MPP communicators no try a catch no and no na sebio omodia kasa bedrun. Now let's listen to this guy. We are match Okotina GH1 and or catch Ghana for say, oh, dear Omayano, Sebio, Akufo. I'm not even going to play the video, it's not needed. And that is what they do. Into every time you are no better say, now Ube serious questions about Akufo Addo Abino. They are not boastful of Akufo Addo's achievement. No, they are not proud of it. They know, say, all the things Akufo Addo kind of oppositioner, they know Akufo Addo has failed. Into the only thing they can do is to cover Akufo Addo's abysmal, incompetent, the corruption, government record with Papa Akufo Yewe and NDC for say because they know that when you go back to go find the Papa Akufo Papa Akufo then with delete Bibia, Papa Akufo you can't find it. Now let's listen to this young man. This man who was sacked as a DC, like he has no shame. Miracle Abuaji the DC near Pamono because Kronunti. And today you tell me, say this guy should come and advise me or tell me that I should vote for Bawumia. Miracle Abuaji Kronfonti near Pamono. Ever seen there? Has he been able to sit on TV to say why he was fired as a DCE? No, because they saw him steal things. He was writing the checks. He was stealing from the government. He has not been bold to sit on TV to say, I was sacked as a DCE. But this guy, a criminal in a political party, somebody who has been kicked out of a government office, is sitting on TV telling me, say, oni nenim nyamia, oni nenim ekwanya, oni nenim nyansa, mimindi ne china yenko Tróuble ma Bawumia. Kronfo.
Yo, it for waiting and someone about beto yepo so. Because GC News so and our no so we are subscribe ya. But more than say we subscribe to such a way. Since had the latest and hot news in Ghana, ya be bremo. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer for so now when you be here now and someone koso will Ghana memoir. Also with me a chair working fire and some way now will comment boxing. Mobeti Mikabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.